Hello guys, how are we doing today? Welcome back to our channel and welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to be doing an analysis of Audjpy and what to expect from the market this week. I want to believe you're doing good. I want to believe you're doing great. If you're just coming across our channel, I want to say welcome. It's good to have you. What you want to do right now is click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because we release videos like this almost every day, letting our viewers know what to expect from the market per time, and you don't want to miss out on any of such videos. So let's get straight into the business of this video. Audjpy, if we want to go into the far back, it's bought for a pretty long time. I think even on the weekly time frame, it got to the overbought region. Yeah, it did. It got to the overbought region somewhere here. Then, okay, this is where we are. It got to the overbought region here on the weekly time frame. Then started selling. It got here at here. Started selling. I remember when it was selling, we did an analysis and we said it's going to sell to this region, and that's what happened. Then it started buying again, and it broke this previous high and got to where where this high got to this other high, then it started selling. Now, if you can look at it on the long term, this is a monthly time frame, you can see that it's currently on the uptrend. The market is currently on an uptrend, so you can see series of higher highs and higher lows. So for that reason, it brings to mind that any sell should be regarded as a retracement. Any sell should be regarded as a retracement, and this is a sell. And if you have been following us, we said that it's usually expected that a retracement should end at the 50 mark Fibonacci level, and you can see here. Let me zoom in a bit. The 50 mark, you can see it here, and that's exactly where this retracement ends. Sometimes it breaks, as you can see, it sold a bit below that, but it started buying. So most of the times it's expected for a retracement to end at the 50 mark Fibonacci level, and after that the impulsive move kicks off again. So you can see the market sold, and when it got to the 50 mark or a bit below, somewhere between the 50 and 38.2, the market started buying again. Let's see the weekly time frame. Zooming in a bit. Okay, at the 50 mark, it came in contact with the 10-day simple moving average on the weekly time frame, but sold a bit below and bought again and got higher, or it ended above the 50 mark. So what do we expect from the market this week? That's what this video is about. Let's start from the monthly time frame. We can see that last month Audjpy bought to this extent. It sold down here and bought, so it ended as a pin bar, and here it shows a huge or a strong bullish rejection. Shows a strong bullish rejection, that there is buyers in the market. Strong buyers were waiting from here, and there was strong bullish momentum. They pushed it up to this region. Then the market ended above the open here and started again. Then in the month of June, it bought up to this point and sold down to where it is. So currently the month of June is still in session. We've not gotten to the end of the month of June. Then coming to the weekly time frame, last week ended as, should we call this a Greystone Doji? Let's call it a Greystone Doji because it has quite a little body, and what it really shows here is a bearish rejection. It shows strong bearish rejection here. Then that was 2 weeks ago. Then last week the market sold down here and buyers pushed it and it closed here. We may want to call this a hanging man. We may want to call this a hanging man, but it really shows a bullish rejection. I don't want to say it's a bullish reversal candlestick pattern. Of course it's not. It shows bullish rejection, and it also shows that there is still sellers in the market. I want you to take that into consideration because it's going to be necessary for our conclusion. It shows that there's still sellers in the market. Then on the daily time frame, we can see when the market sold down to this point. Okay, this Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Okay, so Monday it sold down to this 50 mark. Tuesday it got below that and bought again, ended as a doji. Wednesday was a small bullish candle, making this place a morning star, and it would have been expected that the market would go bullish. It bought when it came in contact with the 10-day simple moving average on the daily time frame, started selling again, and it ended as a bearish candle. It even sold below that. It sold below the 50 mark on Wednesday. Okay, that was Thursday, sorry. On Thursday, then Friday, it ended as an inverted pin bar. Now, when you look at this side, you see that it has not been able to break the 10-day simple moving average on the daily time frame. Then on this other side, that's the lower side, it only broke the 50 mark of the Fibonacci level once, and it bought back and ended above the 50 mark. So let's see the 4 hours time frame before I say what I'm about to say. So on the 4 hours time frame, we can see that movement here. We can see that the market has ranged within this region. The market has ranged within this region for, let's say, throughout last week. So what is this telling us? Now, on the overall, considering the fact that this is the market, on the overall, the market is in an uptrend, then it's made this retracement. I said this is a retracement. It sold and got to the 50 mark and could not go far beyond that. So on the long term, we're looking forward to a bullish move. But also considering the lesser time frame, we can see that the market has been ranging within this region, and there is still selling momentum in the weekly time frame. For that reason, I'll say that the market will range within this region for a while. I don't know whether a day or two, but it's going to range within this region for a while. And let me mark that region. I don't know whether it's going to still be there for a day or two. So within this region, it's going to range within this region. I don't know how many days, but when it finally breaks this region, it will go bullish. We're expecting the market to go bullish, and our first target will be this 100 mark here. That's our TP1. Then TP2 will be the 161.8. As you can see that, and that's another resistance region. So we're expecting the market to get that high. We're expecting the market to get that high. So for now, what we'll be looking forward to is a breakout. The market to break out of this region. Once that occurs and we see a proper entry, then we're going to go bullish. We're expecting the market to go bullish to that extent. So if you're patient enough, you can hold trades long enough, then you should take the trade and hold it to the 161.8. If you don't have that patience, you could just target the 100 mark and take your profits. So that's what we're expecting from the market this week. If you have a different opinion, you can use the comment section. If you have any question, you can also use the comment section, and we'll be glad to have a conversation with you. Like we always say, forex trading is a highly risky endeavor. If you don't have a proper knowledge, you don't want to venture into forex trading. So if you have to take this trade, I want to believe you have a proper knowledge of forex trading. So if you don't have a proper knowledge, you want to register for our complete forex training, check the description of this video. You're going to see a link where you can register for our complete forex training. Then if you want to subscribe for our signal service, also check the description of this video. You're going to see a link where you can subscribe for our signal service. And if you want to get a copy of my book, Trading Without Tears, check the description of this video. You're going to see a link where you can get a soft copy. And if you want a hard copy, send us a direct message through any of our social media handles requesting for the book. We'll tell you the cost of shipping when you tell us your location. Once your payment is confirmed, you'll have the book delivered to you. So that's it from us on this video. I hope you got value. See you in the next video. Bye for now.